how to create win-win situation, and that is the theme of this video. Before you proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, stay connected. Why are win-win situations important? Win-win situations are important because they make every person involved in the whole situation happy. Everyone comes out as a victor, and that's a great situation to be in. Is it easy? May not be, because the kind of people we have around us, they also need to be of similar thought process if we want to create win-win situations. And it's possible to bring them up to this thought process. It's not so difficult. How do we do that? First important thing to understand to create win-win situation is that you may have to become more creative. Creative in the sense, not getting limited to the current thought process that you are going through. You may have to think beyond that. And when I'm saying think beyond that, it is nothing else but think creatively. They also say think outside the box. The only point that I'm making here is you will have to think afresh. And one of the best ways to do that is ask some more questions to that situation itself. And some of the things that you can do is what more is possible, what different is possible, what can I leave from what I am seeking. As you start asking questions like these, you will notice that you start becoming creative in the way you think about any given situation, and you have fresh ideas, new ideas, first thing. Second important thing which is important to create win-win situation is to continue the dialogue. Many times we start feeling that we are pressed by time, and the moment that pressure of time is felt, the situation actually is moving more towards compromise rather than a win-win situation. Why? Because we want to close the whole conversation. But for coming to a win-win situation, you may have to talk once more. You may have to talk once more. You may have to talk once more. And that's something very important to do on a continuous basis. Third important suggestion that I'm giving here is you may have to stop yourself from thinking, I want this only. I definitely want this. You may have to come out of this kind of thought process if you want to move towards win-win situations. Because if you continue to hold on to a position, you will never be able to move ahead, move beyond that. And the other person may also remain in a similar situation, and the energy is getting dissipated in holding on to positions rather than loosening those positions and creating or coming to a creative solution, isn't it? Next important thought that I'm sharing here is whenever you are in a situation where we have to come to a win-win understanding, thoughts are there, feelings are there, and they start influencing your actions. So the suggestion that I'm giving here is, rather than bringing them out into actions, which may become counterproductive over a period of time, rather than coming to that kind of situation, instead, talk about what you are thinking, talk about what you are feeling, talk about what your emotions are, express them, and just an expression of those thoughts and feelings and emotions is sufficient for others to understand where are you in the current scenario. If you start acting them out instead, as I said a little while back, it may become counterproductive over a period of time. Next thing that you can start doing in terms of coming to a win-win situation is take responsibility for your actions rather than blaming others. Now, many times it happens that we take actions and we experience consequences. If we take ownership of the consequences also, which only indicates that we are taking responsibility for actions, it becomes easy to handle a situation. But if you start pointing fingers to others, if you start blaming others, what is the state others will move into? others will move into a defensive state, and that defensive state never allows to create a win-win situation. And the last idea that I'm suggesting is never take anything personally. What do I mean by that? In the whole conversation that is going on to create a win-win situation, there are things that may be said, there are things that may be expressed, and they may hurt you in any way. But the message that I'm giving here is just take them at the face value rather than taking them on you as a person. Because the moment you take anything personally, it will affect your feelings, your emotions, and ultimately it will influence your thought process, which may come out in the communication negatively. So these are some of the ideas that I've shared to create win-win situation. Pick up whatever suits you the most and start putting that into action and experience more win-win situations in life and make life even more beautiful.